Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's session, I'm going to tell you about a frames and the opacity, also covering about a flexbox. So what are the frames? So you have seen over there a nested web page. Suppose we are having a frame of our photograph. So the frame going to be of a photograph going to be a different. There are a lot of different frames. Photo frames are there. So at the videos also it going to be a different frame. Suppose I want to do the advertisement at a channel. So the image going to be, first of all, the image font going to be the attributes. It going to be really very good pixel. Later on it going to be formed into the opacity. Opacity going to be the transparent. So the both of the difference I am going to cover in this video. And one more thing, it's going to be a Flexbox. So Flexbox help you to store the items, how the border is going to be default, all the characters we will just upload it and just add an up over there. So items like we buy over there different products, we could just make over there a different section on a particular web page. And how we will put over there a space, the margins, all the thing I will cover in this particular video. So stay tuned to see my further video. And if you had missed my previous video, just go and see my previous video. And don't miss to like and subscribe to my video and share it with your friends. Hey guys, so we are going to learn about Flexbox. Flexbox is used to make the elements behavior, and it's also predictable over there a screen size and different displays on a particular device. Suppose how it's going to look like. So I'm having over there my the flex box. So some boxes going to be look like this, some boxes going to be look like this, some are like this. So inside this we are going to store over there different items. Suppose I can store all of my chips inside it, all of my biscuits over here, and some of my products. Any of the thing we could just store it. Suppose these are the different examples. So we are also going to learn about the frames, how we will make it, and the opacity. So here we go. Let's start with the code, how we will make it. So for that, I am choosing HTML, CSS, and just making over there the Flexbox, just writing over there a project name, that what content we are going to learn it. So it's take little bit time to open it. So here we go. After head, I am just writing over there style, because I am going to change over there my style, that how my appearance going to look like. Then it comes over there dot flex container. So container is like a box, how we could just add over the container the items and a display panel. Flex. Then it's going to be display flex. Later on width. So any pixel we could just add an up inside it. Then it's going to be height. So my box heights and all that. And we could just add over there a background color. Suppose I'm just using a, let's say, afterwards I'm adding over there items, that what going to be the items. For that they're going to be different margins. So whenever we go to a grocery shop, we buy the things into other different items. The same way we could just add in up that. Then width and height. So I'm just copying it from there and then pasting. So I could just change the width pixel, and over here height. Same with the margins. So margins are like added up to make the things visible in a great way. 10 pixels. Then style going to end up.
Then comes to a body. So body going to help me to writing over there a content. So let's see how it's work. So over here, it's going to close my head also. After body, I'm writing over there div class. Div class help you in dividing over there into a different section that I'm typing flex container, closing a tagline. Afterwards, I'm just typing over there div class equal flex item. So afterwards, I just write over here. Suppose I'm just writing over there slash div. I click on run. So it shows little bit and just move it. Why it's moving it? See. So it's in the first of the section. The width is showing little bit less. We could just put 200. Yeah, 200 was a lot. So instead of 200, we could just consider 150. Yeah, and I could type center. Yeah, see. Now what we will do next, I will just copy this item and move into the next of it so that my item going to show it. So instead of that, I'm just typing web development because we are learning about the course about web development. Like anything you could just add it. I'm just writing over there the easy thing. Then these are the basic concept we are learning it. So I'm just considering it as level 1. I click on run. So you can see that there are the different sections. So then I will close over there the div. After body slash HTML. So if I don't use a center over here, I don't put center, then what is going to happen? So it shows over there. That's all about it. That was a flex box, how we could just make it. So I'm just going back and creating over there the new, that going to be the frames and the opacity. Okay, so afterwards I'm just removing it. So how it going to show me all of the things? Afterwards I'm typing style. Then it's going to be the image. So I want that my image should be like a transparent. So the opacity 0.4, then style, then slash head. Then body is like showing a content over there. That how my content going to be started. So this going to be my normal image. Oh, so sorry, normal image. So you could just see over there a difference between that. I'm just seeing the image from the internet. Let me just open Google first of all. Here we go. And I'm just writing over there BMW. Like any of the car, you could just take it. I'm doing the right click. Okay, I like this one. Do the right click, copy image address. Then now over here I go it. I type it image src. Like we earlier uploaded it. This was a code that how it's going to upload it. Then I click on run. Here we go. So you can see the images over here. So normal PNG I could just put into a center and bold. So over here I will just close it. Yeah, here we go. So now I want to make the image blurry. So for that, I'm just copying this thing and pasting over here. Instead of normal image, I'm just writing over there transparent image. So image class equal trans src. Let's see. Oh, trans going to be an inverted comma. Control Z. So sorry. Yeah, here we go. So you can see over there a difference now. So earlier my image was really very dark. Like this, you could just view it. So this was my output of both of the things. To see the content is really very looking nice. So I want to go back to the applet. So for that I could just click over there and then go back. So over here, I want to make my image also move into the center. So I'm just removing a center word from here and then closing a center over here. Same way center word removing from here and closing a center over here. So my image should also move into a center. Let's see that. So see now, it's looking really very nice. Same way what we have done like earlier. So I could just view it from the home and you can see the Flexbox. So Flexbox look like this. So you could just make over there more boxes at the end of the web page. You could just add it up. That's all about it. Hope you like this video. So if you just face any of the issues,